Hiya, Mondo here. Getting older but not too past it. I've not done any little videos for a while because the sun's been out, it's been warm. Oh yeah, and I fell down a little pothole, twisted my leg a bit. Oh, I got a bit dodge. I felt like an old codger. So you got to look after yourself, haven't you? Yeah. Good old NHS, they x-rayed me and they manipulated it and everything's sort of okay now, but I felt a bit dodgy for a while. Anyway, I'm still got my pup, walking other people's dogs, and I'm having a walk on the beach because it's nice and breezy here. So unfortunately, if you're in a big city or town and it's humid and steamy, well, it's dreamy on the coast, nice and breezy. So come and join me for a little walk. On the microphone, it's quite pleasant though. So I'm going to head in that direction and wander around for maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, who knows. There won't be any alcohol involved, maybe not even any food. I'll get hydrated somewhere. But hey, look after yourself, keep hydrated, get older but not too past it, eh? See ya.